Hi, Paul here from prwilsonmedia. If you're interested in or already creating videos regularly on Facebook, the Facebook creators community could really be of interest. Here's how you sign up. Okay, so first of all, the page address, which is facebook.com/creators. And then you can click here to say join. As you might expect, the easiest way to join is to sign in with Facebook, so I'll click there. Next, in step 2, you need to fill out some more information about yourself and why you want to be part of the community. Okay, so I've selected a category my videos are in. That's how I use video creation at the moment, all the accounts, and by clicking on agree to receive marketing emails, agree to the Facebook terms, I'll say let's do this. Okay, and great, got the welcome message now part of the community. So yeah, it's a good idea to get the app for iOS. Currently only, it's not available for Android. It's worth having a look around at some of the options. So we've got Discover. We can discover the content from other creators out there already. Let's just click on the announcement there, get some more details. So introduction video, welcome. And yes, I will have a look at the app in another video. Also look at learn. So we're already in the community, profile and page. How do you set up a page? Okay, step you through various stages. Yeah, so it's things like having a definite plan for publication, that kind of thing. Making connections with other influencers, with other creators, and obviously connecting with your own fan base as well. There are loads of different tips there. And under the support, you've got some frequently asked questions. There's an option that be interested. So how can you start earning money with your videos? Okay, so sponsorship. So you need to get some sponsored arrangements in place and the eligibility requirements. And there's some specific eligibility criteria there. Okay. And there are some community payment terms and conditions as a Facebook payment system. But I think the key thing is to have a look at the app to see in detail what you can do in terms of publishing, planning, and then getting monetization sorted out. So that's it from me. That's Facebook for Creators community. Let me know how you get on with it, how it helps you. I'm Paul from prwilsonmedia, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.